Welcome to our channel, Gadget Guide. Quickly subscribe it and press the bell icon to watch our videos. First, let's get to the topic. Be with us till the end. KTRAK Snow Cycle Kit. It's such an amazing designed invention of USA that it allows you to get outside the home and explore your town without any difficulty. It's a snow bike kit, comes with 2 parts. You just have to install it in your bike on the place of both tiers, and your bike will be converted into snow bike. Now you don't have to worry about snow. Its price is $280 to $370. MANTA 5 hydrofoil e-bike. World's first hydrofoil bike. It's designed and developed in New Zealand. It is made to ride in salt and fresh water, look right over lakes, rivers, waterways and oceans. Start from the beach, off a platform, or in deep water. It can also handle moderate chop and swells. 460 electrical motor with variable electrical assist. Up to 3.5 hours assisted ride time and reaching speeds up to 22 kilometers per hour. Easy to transport and assembly. Feel the most surreal riding experience, and its price is only $6,800. Velove Armadillo electric assist cargo bike with fuel cell. It's Swedish invention. This cargo bike features cheap, easy, and speedy transport. It have the range of 300 kilometers with the power of 250-watt electric assist. There is 20 liters hydrogen cylinder giving 7 kilowatt-hour electricity for effortless pedaling and to easily climb the uphills. The Chimera of fuel cell of this cycle have 150-watt energy. It reaches up to the speed of 25 kilometers per hour with full load of 200 kilograms, and its price is only $9,600. AHS Project Speed Bike, world's fastest bicycle. It's 100% custom. It only made to be extremely fast. Double reduction gearing features 138 feet per revolution of the pedals, and it also have 17-inch motorcycle rims and motorcycle tires with strong braking system for safety. There are power rim brakes given on both the tires and disc brake on gear to control the bike speed. It reaches up to 183 kilometers per hour speed. Its weight is 15 kilograms and 7 feet long. Its motorcycle tiers and compound reduction gear setup optimized for riding at triple-digit speeds. Its price is only $530. Kwiggle bike. It's world's most compact folding bike that makes your life very easy and gives you the comfortable easy travel due to its high portability. hefty and lightweight 14 kilograms, so it's easy to transport anywhere. It takes space of suitcase after folding it. It can be fold and unfold only within 10 seconds. It reaches 30 kilometers per hour speed. Its price is only $1,515. Christini all-wheel drive cycle. It's manufactured in United States. His cycles are for off-roading purpose, and the fat wheel version can be ride in snow. Also testing is done in Antarctica. Explanation how the all-wheel drive system works. It's mountain bike version. You can see from back that there's a gearing system on the rear. And it actually can engage and disengage from the clutch mechanism. Drives a shaft up through the frame. Through a series of universal joints. Up into the head to where it have a gathering system down to the crown of the fork, where there's a step over chain into the drive shafts that goes down to the front. Telescopic drive shaft. Out of suspension. In a fat bike version there won't be suspension. Price off this bike is only $4,800 to $6,300. Audi e-bike worthersee. It's one of the most expensive e-bike. Its top speed is 80 kilometers per hour. Bike has its own software and application to connect it through your phone to enjoy multiple functions. Max output 2.3 kilowatt. To perform different type of stunts, you just have different stunt modes in your smartphone, and the bike will perform different stunts with the help of its software. This bike is maximum made up of carbon fiber material. Its weight is 21 kilograms. Its range is up to 50 to 70 kilometers, and its price is only $1,64,237. CERAMICSPEED chainless drive MTB. It is the world's first cycle having gears front and rear suspension with the shaft drive. Let's have a look on explanation about it.
The drivetrain features a dual pinion design comprising of a fixed front pinion and shiftable rear split pinion. The two pinions utilize a total of 21 CERAMICSPEED ball bearings that create the engagement interface of the drivetrain. This is a patented engineering novelty that makes a driven drivetrain revolutionary. The driven drivetrain is controlled by wireless electronic shifting. The hollow carbon fiber shaft houses a rechargeable battery, an actuator, and a shift mechanism that controls the shiftable rear split pinion. The shiftable rear split pinion utilizes a step and follow shift pattern. One half of the pinion is engineered as the lead, always stepping into position when free of the cassette to engage into the next gear. The trailing half follows when free from the cassette, completing the shift. Seamless shift alignment is possible through a torque decoupler located at the trailing half of the split pinion. This is made up of two spring-loaded bearings that have been purposefully engineered to deliver precise meshing between the pinion and the cassette. Driven is the world's most mechanically efficient and aerodynamically efficient bicycle drivetrain.
If you want to purchase these things, links are provided in the description. Thanks a lot for watching our video till the end. I hope you like it, so please give like, put your comment, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe our channel Gadget Guide and press the bell icon to watch such kind of interesting informative technological videos.